Player, check it out. We got a ride out of Mosier tomorrow. We're gonna explore the whoopees. Yeah, I don't know what they are either. We're gonna do it on hardtails. It's gonna be fun as hell. And I hope it's not messy out because it's been raining a lot. And because this video is sponsored by Competitive Cyclist, I'm gonna heed some of your wisdom and upgrade the tires on this to something a little more season specific. And we're gonna throw some cush core on there, cause more cushion for the pushing. What are you putting on there? We're gonna rock the Pirelli Scorpion XC with a 2.4 in the front and a 2.0 in the back. Oh my God, will you look at that cush core? Buckle up, Buttercup, this is gonna be real. I don't know, real what? Real something.
Live from New York City, where wolves roam free. Chances with wolves.
Check out this fit. Poofy up top, skinny on the bottom. I think I might just run this on the regular. What do you think?
It's good, it's good. Even if I'm just like a...
Drew, I got another question. Is it onesie day?
Definitely not onesie day.
You don't think so?
No.
Up, up, and away!
Everybody in the world like music. Everybody in Cameroon like music. Yeah.
What's that? Oh, who am I riding with? The usual suspects. Drew Tyndall, Ron Lewis. Oh. Totally rideable. How about a little climbing to start your day?
Music makes you happy. Yeah.
And these beautiful moments. Take them in, buddy. Nothing lasts forever.
Everybody in this world like music. Everybody in Africa like music. Everybody in Nigeria like music. Everybody in Cameroon like music. Everybody.
We are on location at the Redneck Olympic Training Course here in Mosier, Washington at the Trials Training Center. And this week's episode is brought to you by Trail Tuber, whatever. Now let's send it down to Drew the Motor Tyndall, who's live with Chris Fisherson with a trail report.
How you feeling today, Chris? Rad.
Everybody, music is for you. Everybody, body show. Everybody, music is for you. Music. Everybody in this world like music. Music makes.
When you got radio towers, you know you've made it to the top of the hill. All right, good job, guys. Wait, what do you mean more climbing? Uh-oh, ooh, the path less rumbled. The perfect pairing for this beautiful vista of the gorge is some Tillamook extra sharp cheddar. It's working class with a dash of sophistication. I dropped it, actually. What's Drew's pairing for this epic vista?
Still on these brews. Look at that.
It's almost like something that blends right in with something else. What goes up? I need a dropper. Whoa. Yahoo! Whoa! Yeah.
Everybody in this world like music. Everybody in Africa like music. Everybody in Nigeria like music. Everybody in Cameroon like music. Everybody, body show. Everybody, music is for you.
Bonzo, Turbo, Blaster, Ultra, Mega, Delicious, Nutritious, Satisfying.
Everybody, body show. Everybody, music is for you. Music makes you happy. Music makes you happy. Music makes you happy. Music is
Hey, halfway through, Cush Core for the win, increased stability and cornering, and I gotta admit, I am definitely feeling these Pirelli Scorpion cross-country tires.
Feel the winds of change.
Music makes you happy. Music makes you happy. Music is for you. Yeah. La musique.
Good in here. Real good.
Allez, advancez. Everybody like music. Music. Music c'est bon. Ah oui. Bon musique.
Dude, all the mountain bike rides are climb your heart out. Heavy legs. Oh, it's hard today. But views like this don't come free. That's what the 20 miles and 4,000 feet of climbing gets you. And right now, I kind of don't care. I don't really care. Hey, look at this stupid thing. So steep. Not much control. 34%. That was heavy. What a proper session. Hey, super stoked on the Scorpions and the Kush Core. All the confidence in the world, baby. Or rather, some of the confidence in the world. That ride really did have a little bit of everything. Tons of climbing, plenty of scrunch, and good times had by all. And the ride by the numbers?
3 hours, 42 minutes rolling time.
25.6 miles.
And 4,400 feet of elevation. Rad.
Hey, thanks for hanging out. I hope you had fun. I hope I had fun. Did I have fun? Oh yeah, hey, throw a 9 down in the comments if you like this video. And if you didn't like this video, you can push 9. Hey, let me know what else I should upgrade on this thing. I've got some ideas, but I want to know what you think. And shout out to Competitive Cyclist for sponsoring this week's video. Use offer code Dustin15 for 15% off your first order to competitivecyclist.com. I'm telling you, they got everything. And I mean this. From wheels to heels, they've got you covered. Oh, that was good, right? Off the hip. Seriously though. What else do we say? If there's anything you liked here, go ahead, hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed, now might be the time. And check out the EBD Gear Shop, the greatest place on the internet. Until next time, dear friend, this is Dustin Klein. Probably cleaning this bike and hanging out with Winston. Where's Winston?